In my last video, I have grown my account from 45 to 86 using awesome oscillator divergence strategy. Today I will trade same account with same 5-minute time frame strategy.
Three, two, one.
Reason to sell: 5-minute lower time frame awesome oscillator divergence setup.
We about to turn it on.
Let's see what will happen to this setup later. Market reacted to our setup, running profit almost $130. Price is in moving average 510 low on H1 time frame. So I want to close my orders now and taking all the profit.
Please practice on demo first.